to give my answers to those to a certain extent, and then probably going forward we can have discussions on that. We can have anything on that. Probably we can try to find a common answer and a common solution on how to build a community. Before I go into this thing, I had I would say privilege to start three communities in the past. One was during my college level, during my engineering career. I started a fine arts club. You could call it. So community is called in different manners. For example, you call it community, some people call it society or whatever club and something. So I had started one community called Rang, which is Hindi name of color. So this community was for fine art enthusiasts in that engineering college. So when so a lot of people were there, a lot of students were there who had some skills on fine art. I was myself one of them, and many people were very extremely good at fine arts, though they were in an engineering college. So I started one community called Rang there. And after towards the end of my graduation, when I was passing out, I started thinking on some other problems which society face in general. So children, I started one community called Pankhudi, which is to cater to underprivileged children. So that was in 2005, 2003 and 2005, and it has grown to a pan-India level. This self-sustaining community is called purely volunteer driven community. One community in between I thought to and started was called Vanaspati. It was just to promote plantation at household level, and people should start planting things at their home, and maybe take different sort of interest in sense of beautification. As in you do beautification, but you do things. So that I didn't take it. So I've been doing it in here and there the community thing. But since I joined Illumin with the talk of SV and all the time we are talking about this community, so I thought, okay, there are certain underlying elements which actually could lead to architecture of a community. We can architect actually a community. So I have been thinking on these lines, but I could not answer anything fully and how a community is built up actually. But I think in Illumin we will definitely be able to come out with something if we keep thinking and keep talking on this thing. So what is a community? What is a club, society? So I think that community is a collective of individuals, which is everybody will think. So there is something called natural community. Natural community, and one is choice community. So natural community is what we all belong to Earth. So we are a community which belongs to Earth. Okay, we all belong to India. I mean, these are natural. We are not choosing it to. So we all belong to Earth. We all belong to we all belong to this whatever. So this is natural. So it's not. We cannot do anything. So this is natural thing. Now this is something which is either this is something which we join by our choice, or this is something which we build by our choice. As in we make some community, or we go and become part of some community out of our very evident need or not so evident need. This is okay. You can move down. Okay. So I was talking about some different thought groups. One thought group is individual, like definition of community or rather clarification of a community in the perspective of a human. humans. So we have a collective of humans. We have a collective of some people. So what all constitutes his life at? So he has a age basically. So it's a time. So at different point of time there would be some different things which we will do. So a human at any point of time is associated with something called workplace. As in this would change as we a workplace. He has his family and 1 degree ahead relatives, as in who are related to this person, and then he has something called friends, closely related, but not in not a relative as such, blood relative. So friends and other beings of society. So friends that this guy knows, and other people of society. And one aspect of this person's life is how he there is something called academics, whatever. So and he has one this space which is so this guy, this set of people would at some point of time they will have academia, I'll have a college or a school or something till a certain age. After that I'll stop having I'll stop going to a certain place for taking knowledge. So workplace I will have I'll have in my initial my childhood to adult that phase I'll not have workplace, but at a certain point I'll start having this as a formal I would say essential element of a person's life. And when this also will go to a certain point of time, then this will start as such. So basically these are the spaces of human interaction under so varied by intensity level. In sense, I will have less human interactions in terms of a defined institutional workplace level, something like that. So this is one thought line. This is what I think. Okay. So another thing is I am saying that so this is space, this is one space, this is one space. Humans become take a part or join a community, a choice community in this space, which is actually something which I'll come in sometime. And he also join a choice community in this space. He also join a choice community in this space, but he does not join any choice community of family or relative, or lesser here and more here and more here. Okay. Another thing, so this is one this thing thought.
Shazad, do you have any coordinates?
This is time, just his lifetime.
And that?
This is not this is spaces, like in that space. Okay. Another thing I wanted to propose is that why I join a choice community, and in what spaces I join choice community in conjunction with what we do have model which we talk about. So I was discussing with Prasad also at some point in time this thing that why I join a community. So we have we do have model which we discuss all the time. We do have. So I was thinking in what spaces humans humans tends to connect with another human, something like that. So I was thinking that it is something like this. So this is being. This is doing space, and this is having space. I was thinking and I was wondering, as in the most I tend to join another choice community way more in doing spaces. As in, what am I doing? Am I working as a software engineer? So I join communities of a software engineer. I'm being so doing spaces we tend to join. We tend to persons who are in the being, as in who are being, as in I'm being a mother. So I don't join a community of mothers. I'm in the being space. Something like that. So here Rahman does not join, he does not look out for communities who of world class musicians. He is being that. He does not something like that. So,
It doesn't need confirmation.
or having also, I have what?
BMW.
No.
Let's go for it.
So I have something. I possess something. I have 10,000 my accounts. So I don't go and join a community of people who have something like that. I possess this, so I don't join a community of so people who most communities are there in their being spaces, or maybe density of community lies on this direction also. So maybe there will be something, some people, I'm doing this and I'm like Harley Davidson community. So they are having that Harley Davidson, but they are doing something. I don't know. Maybe not
Cycling.
So something like that. So if you see this, so I tend to join communities of. So this is the doing space. I do this. Family is my being. I am being a brother. I am being this thing. I am being so I don't join communities of brothers. You see, something like that. So like that. Okay. And then there is a third point of. So this is two thought views. The another thing that of creation of a community point of view. And creator's point of view actually. In a way. That's one. So this is a very complex thing actually. This is a very so the question is that why a community? If I have to draw a community making architecture something on this board, so I'll probably do only this part as how to start a community and what to do after that. So this is only so this whole part is why to start a community. What is the purpose of that community? So purpose, why, these questions will be answered in the whole thing, and then after when somebody is convinced to, so only this space will, so this amount of effort will be there to start a community and engage with the community and then what to do with the community. So the entire, so it's something like that. Yes. So how to build a community is actually the simplest part. We explore different connecting mediums, and so net is one. So net is one. Net is actually and then there are different other bits. Park and so basically I have done all these kind of things. So if I take example of IIT wala run community, that was a closed community. The students are IIT, so that was a closed community. Pankhuri, I started on Orkut, and I just used the social networking website to build up a community. Every weekend I used to go to a blind school and teach children, and I just came and started writing what I have done. But I didn't write that I did it on the very first day. I said we did it. So we are a set of people. I said that. So that was the. So community starts from something called we. It's not starts from I. So why would somebody come to me to what you are doing? I will also do. So some set of people who are So this shows how thought is being. So purpose has to be good. First of all, negative thing cannot actually. Negative is very subjective when people. So it has to be something for a greater good. It has to be something for others. And after coming to Illumine, I realized that It is not actually others. It is so it's not self-centered. It is imagined self-centered. So it's like no. You are doing even if somebody is architecting a community, he can actually have something for him, and with that thought point, he can start building a community. So this creator, this thing is something which we actually creators space and why to build a community. These are two questions which needs to be very heavily thought upon and over time. So with all good respect and to all religion, those who started this thing. So they actually created if you heard Muhammad or Jesus. So with all good respect to their connections with the God. They started. So they created communities which are, not to say it actually, not to be said. Right now, this is very big communities. So it's like, and it's lying, it's going on and on. So yes, so he was. They were also architect of some community, some sort of community. So how did they do? That time internet was not there actually.
फिर भी
So something like that. So this is something. This is what I have thought personally. These are obviously anybody who starts thinking about a community, everybody will come out with this. But this thing which I have thought that being in spaces, people do not tend to join any this thing.
Doing that spells trouble for IB comes. That means
they are doing something again.
But it's about I becoming.
Yeah, they're doing with them.
No, but that's why you need to take a practitioner point of reference. That's the doing space. And not the
Becoming that space.
the career
Career designer.
Yes. So once we have answered this part of the thing, then how to start a community and what to do is very actually petty engagement and all those things. The first thing is purpose, and purpose should be very.
It will be small for you for some of us to say big.
Maybe we can have more discussion. Actually, we should make a mailing group and we'll discuss.
No. Acha, I have one question for both. Now it's all open house, so you can, there's no such thing. See, one thing is, I was reflecting upon my 2-3 communities. One is my school community. That is, we started of my classmates in school. And we also look at the community which I have in IIM. I was looking at the conversations that are going on in both those communities. One is that the community has a very clear-cut identity that we were in the same class or whatever. But what I find is that 90% of the conversation is actually organized around meeting offline. That is, you find that there people are saying, we met at Bangalore today, or we met at Singapore today, or we met somewhere, and these guys met, and everyone's setting up with each other that I'm coming and not going. That is one. And secondly, otherwise, that's it. That is the main thing that happens in these two communities. And every time there is an event that has to come up, then there is a huge amount of activity. It's almost like a family also, let's say an extended family, it lies dormant in different cities, etc. Then suddenly there's a marriage in a family, then there are a flurry of phone calls to each other and everyone is asking when you are going and what you are doing and all that. And when they meet, they are like hugging each other like lost cat, so on and so forth. And again you go back and you forget. And you lie in wait for the next marriage or something else. So what is this about community? What is the connection with what you guys are saying?
And also, another point of conversation is only always of some past time. Because even I was thinking of
most of the people, I am not too old to even remember that.
Because there is like, remember we used to do this, then there's a lot of joint activity amongst everyone that yes, we did this, and then that's it, then so there's nothing constructive coming out of it
Relating with
actually.
what he said here, doing, na, that I was a school member, or I was in that college, so that's like being over here. I'm not doing anything, we're not doing anything collectively, so there's nothing to talk about other than what will we do.
Actually, there's
I think
another
that
point
purpose
about
thing
it.
comes
What
in.
he's saying is, what he's saying is that it supports his point of
That
view.
purpose
It's
actually.
not purpose, that doing is all.
doing.
doing.
He's saying
हाँ.
doing में communities जल्दी बनती हैं और ज़्यादा sustainable होती है और कुछ होता है उससे. Correct.
नहीं, ज़्यादा बनती है और कुछ नहीं.
It's just that you do
ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा
बनती है.
बनती है.
maybe because
See, I
What-
would say that this stems from the purpose of the community. These
Correct.
two communities that you mentioned, their purpose is to stay in touch. So that is what they are doing.
So
They
staying in
are-
touch means meeting next time.
to that extent. It's not about networking and physically going, yeah, I'm starting a business, so would you like to partner with me? If that was the case, it would have been another community with that purpose. So
No,
this
no,
might
I
incidentally
disagree on one ground that you take, let us say even my community of batchmates, actually the potential value leverage for everybody there by
Would be
taking
very-
the conversation beyond the surface
Hmm.
would be actually enormous for everybody. Even if somebody, actually like in LinkedIn you find that, if someone said that guys I need this help, this is a ideally you would expect that if it's an IAM group of 25 years ago or 20 years ago, and I put up a post saying that I'm looking for a good guy, I'm looking for a CEO for IBCom, say, then that should be a very good place where lots of people should help out and so on. Nothing of that sort happens.
No, but because your community is a community where it's a community of purpose, but the purpose is to stay in touch.
Stay in touch.
And the best way to engage with that purpose is to meet. Whereas, had you posted it on a job,
So you
community-
put the, basically they are saying some wrong purpose वाली community में they डाल रहे हैं.
मैं डाला ही नहीं तो.
No, actually that
So
community.
that is very important that the
In the
community will only
purpose-
respond if the post is related to the purpose of the community. Otherwise they won't engage with this
They don't
purpose.
engage on that
Achha,
other
so what is the
dimension.
purpose of a
That's
community?
correct.
How do I know what is the purpose?
I think it changes with time. It can change with time.
And the members, I think they must be shaping the purpose. If a few
So
members
if
come
tomorrow
with-
you start posting stuff like I need a CEO, someone helps you out, others see ke, "Arey, he asked for it and the other person responded, then the purpose has shifted one level up. So today the purpose of that community is to stay in touch. But tomorrow if you do this and you are the first person to do this, then another person follows, then the purpose has shifted. So purpose begins with what was the purpose in the mind of the creator when he created the community.
I have another argument that this community doesn't have enlightened self-interest.
True.
Community people or
The
This particular
community
example.
is not built around we, it is built around I. And it
In
is,
the school community.
It might even be a
School
natural
community.
community actually, not even a.
it's not built
Choice.
around it's not built around enlightened self-interest, it's built around narrow self-interest. Of each guy basically trying to see, so everyone is actually isolated entities.
So then it's not a community actually.
You know?
It's only natural that you were there together.
It's a group
Oh,
of
it's not a
people.
choice community.
It's not a choice
It's
community.
not a choice, it's a natural
in that case,
community.
it is that it's
So you're
a narrow thing.
not pouring into it.
Actually, that is one point that I have to bring up in your presentation. You said, na, mental engagement, mental layer, how can I invoke engagement in a community?
Right.
So, I thought one more point to that should be where I can dig out my knowledge for the benefit of others. Where I can use this knowledge excavation experience so that others can benefit from it. And if I don't do that, then others won't engage as much.
Right. So then you're saying what I can bring to the table is also a factor which influences my engagement with others.
No, in fact, the argument then is that the act of giving is central to a community success.
Sharing, yes.
Sharing, giving,
Yes.
and not the act of taking or transacting. I am again pursuing the argument that a school community is built around transaction. If you say, I want to have fun, you guys want to have fun, sure, we will be a relationship, or the existence of a relationship does not mean that I want to give.
Similarly, does the existence of a community necessarily imply that everyone has to work with enlightened self-interest?
That's what I'm asking. I think that maybe a successful community must have a giving element.
But then when you guys meet, don't you discuss your previous past experiences that you shared in colleges? So aren't you sharing experiences in that sense?
No,
But
that
it's
is
starting
a,
out
it is
now.
a, it's like going for a movie. Like you go for a movie, you enjoy yourself. So there is a selfishness in that experience. So according to me, even when you meet your batchmates, there is 99% selfishness in that experience because it's part of your life, you are mining your own memory for a little more goodness. So it's a one more form of entertainment. And so I'm arguing that this is not a community at all because it is actually something else.
Actually, by
It
his
is just a structure.
collective.
No,
It's not
it's a structure.
The conscious choice is key, I think.
No, I'm consciously choosing to be part of this community.
But
Oh,
because-
yeah, your batchmate means batchmate you didn't choose.
I know, but I can choose to be part of the community. I can choose to read the blogs and all that, or I can choose to just cut off and not read anybody's posts. I'm choosing to do all this. But what I want out of it is to take, not give.
But you can try always. Remember that time when we did blah blah blah.
That
blah,
is
blah.
not giving or taking. That is just remembering. Remembering is not giving. You know?
It is giving something to the purpose.
You are
of the
sharing an
community,
experience,
no? The purpose itself is
Just
there.
consider what giving is compared to the recycling of memory. No?
The purpose
Is
that-
enjoyment.
So you are giving.
Enjoyment is different from a genuine form of, see, to entertain a little, to consciously entertain others at the cost of self or not remembering one's own entertainment or keeping others' entertainment in one's as a focus of one's thinking is enlightened self-interest. Look, I'm not pushing the point of view, but I'm asking, I'm actually trying to probe one hypothesis that he has put. And I'm keeping it on the table and asking us to probe it a little more. That is the we-ness. Not we-ness in the sense of shared identity of being from XYZ batch, but we-ness from the point of view of a shared goal. Very important. In other words, is the we-ness built around the future rather than around the past. Is it that successful communities work when you are engaged in architecting a future rather than in actually reliving the past? Let me break up the problem step by step.
Yeah, it would be.
It's a very powerful thing, no?
Yeah, because like I've been trying to engage with few communities on LinkedIn, and some of them just die out. I want a job, I this. They are very, very static and boring.
Because they are current stuff.
But there are some, for example, in the design thinking community, now they are practitioners, they're trying to do things and they're coming back and sharing their insights. So it's actually forward looking because they're trying to move.
That is the point I'm
And
making.
therefore, it's a very, it's a very intelligent community and they actually share with each other.
Even if it's not intelligent, they will still be vibrant.
But how are social networks so successful? I mean, where you generally
There
just
is
do chit chat and
Correct.
casual.
But they die down,
so
na?
successful.
For example, I hardly talk with my school friends these days because there is no engagement as such. It's
So I
just,
think it works in
right.
teenage, frankly, social media.
Actually,
Yeah,
but
because how much will you say, for example, in Facebook, poke someone or give one gift or build
No, but I will support that point of view because I've been studying very carefully my daughter's Facebook behavior. I asked her, nothing else. And I asked her why, and she's got some 20 or 25 Facebook friends or something, and there are friends of hers who in her class are 80 or 70 or 80 or something. So I said, how many of them are you in close touch with? She says 3. And those 3 is what she's connected with. And the other thing that she says is, I said, so do you meet them in school? When you meet them, do you say, I said, you don't even say hi to each other in school. So you're in the same school, you meet every day, you don't say hi, and yet you are Facebook friends. So what's the meaning of that whole exercise? So actually, is that a community?
wrong meaning is
No, I really don't think Facebook is a community of.
Support.
There is no underlying purpose in Facebook. It's only that I engage with it for a brief time and.
It's an access.
It's an infrastructure.
It's a network. It's a network. That's why the word social networking is correct.
So it's not a community.
It's not a community.
It's a
See, everybody's been
network.
calling them community, but it's just a social network. Very good. So at least we have distinguished between social networks and communities, first of all.
I have a question about purpose of community.